This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. Pristine and precise, this one-level easy living home with a fully finished basement boasts pride of ownership throughout. Great floor plan with 2 beds and bath on the north side, and a recent addition added a master bed / bath plus walk-in closet plus a laundry room on the opposite side. Basement has bed, bath, and extra room, could be a 5th bed. Nicely updated with vinyl plank floors, cherry cabinets, crown molding, a large walk-in pantry, newer appliances, under plus above cabinet lighting, and ceramic tile floors. Private fenced yard complete with a patio and garden shed. Terrific location backing to the Northwest WA Fairgrounds and conveniently across from the Fairway Center for all your shopping needs, restaurants, hardware stores, banks.